Hello guys, so in this lecture I'm talking about empirical evidences. So as we know that this channel is about regarding chemistry, so hopefully it will help you a lot to understand the basics of chemistry in this lecture series. So first of all I will discuss what is empirical evidences. So have a look at these lectures, and I will discuss important points. So basically, what is empirical evidence? For uh, proposition is evidence, and what supports or counts this proposition that is constituted by or accessible to series, experience or experimental procedure. Even empirical evidence is one of the central importance to the sciences and plays the role in various fields like epistemology. I hope you discussed. I hope you understanding the what is epistemology. So I will discuss some of the important as well. There is no general agreement. So there is no general agreement on how the term evidence and empirical ought to be defined. Often different fields work with quite different concept in epistemology. Evidence is what justice believes or what determines whether holding a certain belief is rational. This is only possible if the evidence is possessed by the person, which has prompted various epistemologists to conceive evidence as a private mental state like experiments or other belief in philosophy of science. On the other hand, evidence is understood as the which confirms or disconfirms science hypotheses and attributes between competing theory. For this role, it is important that evidences is public and uncontroversial, like observation, physics, physical object or events, and unlike private mental states, so that evidence may be foster scientific consensus. So these are the important one. I must say that these are really important one as well. The term empirical comes from Greek "eupria." Empiria is the experience. I must say that this is the experience as well. Experience, Greek "eupria" and compare experiment. This is going to be really important as well because I do not understand it well. Yes, this one. Observation, in contrast to observation of theoretical object, it is generally accepted that unaided perception distribute to what extent object accessible only to aided perception, like bacteria seen accessible in misconception detected in a cloud chamber should be regarded as observation. Empirical evidence is essential where it is used. I must say that where is these are is used as well. So have a look at empirical evidence is essential to our proposal known as the empirical knowledge whose justification. Prior knowledge, on the other hand, is either innate or justified by rational intuition, therefore, which is either outright empiricism, accepted only in restricted way as knowledge of relation between our concept, but not as pertaining to the external physics world problems. Scientific evidence is closely related to Empirical evidences, but not all forms of empirical evidences meet the standard dictated by scientific methods. Sources of empirical evidence are sometimes divided into observation and experimentation. The difference being that only experimentation involves manipulation or intervention phenomena are actively created instead of being passively observed. If you have more queries regarding, you can ask me. You can go. Thanks for watching.